Hello my YouTube friends, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be installing the bumper reinforcement and also the plastic that go with the bumper reinforcement. You're probably going to need some help installing this bumper reinforcement because it's a little heavy. What I'm going to do is, because I'm working by myself, I'm going to use a chair to be able to stabilize it while I put all the screws back in. And what you're going to need is you're going to need a 3/8 ratchet and a 13mm socket. So here's our bumper reinforcement, and this is the plastic that has to go in the bumper reinforcement. All we're going to do is you're going to take the bumper reinforcement, we're going to turn it around. Once we turn it around, you're going to see some holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also right here, you see the screws that came with the bumper reinforcement that are going to go right in the car. So what we have to do is, this plastic here, if you turn it around, you're going to see that it has some clips here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take those clips and put it right inside those holes there and push it in. Sometimes you might need a screwdriver to push them in. And there it goes. Your clips are in. And if you notice in the bottom, this right here is to put the bumper. Once we put the bumper in, and we're going to put the clips to be able to hold on to the bumper. What we're going to do now is make sure you pick up the trunk of the van, and let's start installing this. Now we're going to be installing the bumper reinforcement. If you notice, these things have holes here. And I pointed before that the bumper reinforcement has 2 screws on each side. So what we're going to try to do is, like I'm working by myself, I'm going to try to put the screws in. And once I put the screw in, what I'm going to try to do is put the nut with it. So let's see how this works out. If you had somebody to help you, all you do is go under and put the nuts in. But like, I don't have nobody, I have to do it this way from the side. But I am going to show you when I go to the bottom, once I finish putting all of them in. I'll show you hold it. Once you screw it in, you take the other one and you're going to do the other side. And you're going to be doing the same thing. So right in the hole through here, you actually could see the screw, and you gotta do just push it in. And once you push it in, you start screwing them on. So let me finish putting these on, and then I'm gonna show you from the bottom exactly what I did. So this is what I did when I was doing from the front. I was putting the bolts in. It was not an easy task. You need help doing this, and I did the same thing to the other side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to screw them in all the way in nice and tight. And also, if your bumper reinforcement was not aligned, all you have to do is just bring it up, because you see the spaces it have. So you have to do it before you screw it in. So let's screw these things in. So we're going to take our 13mm socket with our 3/8 ratchet. We're going to just start screwing it in. Okay, now we're going to do the one in the top also. Once you feel them tight, I don't know the torque specs on them, so you're gonna have to find your own torque specs. What I like to do is once they tighten, I just go just a little bit more. There it goes. So now we're gonna go to the other side. So here goes the other side. We're gonna do what we did on the other side. There you go. Now do the one in the top also. There it goes. And just a little bit. So now let's see how it looks in the front. Looking good, looking good. Look how it looks. And it looks straight. Let's see how straight I got it. Okay, you see, I missed it by a little bit. All I have to do is make adjustments, and it looks like I'm gonna have to raise this part up right there. But look how it's looking. So there you go. You should be proud of yourself. You just replaced your own bumper reinforcement on your 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.